This isn't just a mansion. It's a $350 million golden empire built on power, politics, and pure extravagance. Behind these gates lies one of the most controversial homes in the world. Welcome to Mar-a-Lago. You've seen luxury, but never like this. A golden palace shimmering by the Atlantic, built on power, ambition, and mystery. Hidden between the palms of Palm Beach, Mar-a-Lago isn't just a mansion. It's a statement. A Mediterranean fortress that's witnessed presidents, power plays, and private deals the world will never know. Stay till the end, because what lies beneath its marble floors will surprise you. Before the politics, before the headlines, there was Marjorie Merriweather Post, the serial heiress who dreamed of a home fit for royalty. Built in 1924, her 126-room masterpiece combined Spanish, Venetian, and Portuguese flair. It wasn't just a mansion, it was an American castle. When she passed in 1973, she left it to the U.S. government as a presidential retreat. But even Washington couldn't afford the upkeep, and the dream nearly faded away. Then came Donald J. Trump. In 1985, after his $28 million offer was rejected, he waited. The market dipped and he struck. $5 million for the mansion. $3 million for every antique, every crystal chandelier, every gold fixture. He didn't just buy a home, he bought a throne and transformed it into the heartbeat of his empire. Barrel-vaulted ceilings rise like cathedrals. Fireplaces carved by European masters glow under $100,000 gold-plated sinks. And at the center, a ballroom wrapped in 24-karat gold leaf worth over $7 million alone. Every wall whispers, power belongs to those who dare to dream bigger. By 1995, Trump reimagined Mar-a-Lago as an invitation-only private club. Membership $200,000 up front, annual dues just under $20,000. Guests, from Serena Williams to Sylvester Stallone, even President Xi Jinping. It's where the world's elite sip champagne, make deals, and play tennis under the Florida sun, far from the cameras. But behind the luxury lies influence. During his presidency, Trump spent over 270 days at Mar-a-Lago, each visit costing taxpayers millions. Diplomats dined under chandeliers. World leaders walked its gardens. Decisions that shaped history were whispered in private halls. It's more than a resort. It's a mirror of power, glittering and controversial. Private corridors snake behind public rooms. Cameras, hidden pathways, and coded entryways form a network of discretion. Beneath its marble floors lie vaults, archives, and rumors of hidden rooms. Spaces that only a handful of people have ever seen. Today, Mar-a-Lago stands as a monument to ambition. Part palace, part political nerve center, part myth. A place where power meets paradise. But the real question is, what stories still echo behind those golden doors? If walls could talk, what secrets would they tell? Hit subscribe for more untold stories of architecture, power, and mystery. And tell us in the comments, would you live in a house like this?